wish to exchange currency in Japan, the following phrases are common. アメリカドルを日本円に変えてください。That means, please change US dollars to Japanese yen. So let's analyze the individual words in the phrase. お is a particle, object marker. に a particle, destination marker, which means to. 変えて is the te form of the verb 変えます。This is similar to adding ing form to a verb in English. 変えます means change or exchange. ください means please. Another phrase that you might need to use is 1ドル日本円でいくらですか? Which means, how much is 1 US dollar in Japanese yen? In this sentence, で is a particle which means by or with. Another example is すみません。アメリカドルを日本円に変えたいんですが、1ドル何円ですか? That means, excuse me, I'd like to exchange US dollars to Japanese yen. How much is 1 US dollar in Japanese yen? In the phrase 変えたいん means to wish to exchange. 変えたいん is a combination of the verb 変えます, the Thai form, and softening marker ん. 変えます means to exchange, and the Thai form indicates a desire, such as to want or to wish. The softening marker ん is used before words like です to enhance the politeness of the sentence. And finally, 何円 means how many yen. Let's look at some more examples. ポンドは円でいくらですか? Which means, how much is the British pound in Japanese yen? Another example is, オーストラリアドルは1ドル103円です。Which means, the Australian dollar is 103 yen. Other words like cent or cents translate as セント. For example, 70 cents will be 70セント. Notes, that is paper money, is 紙幣 or お札 or before a noun is used as an honorific term. Note of 1,000 yen is 1000円札. Note of 100 yen is 100円札. Coin is 硬貨. Coin of 500 yen is 500円の硬貨 or 500円玉. Dama means a coin.